Right, the ex-tropical cyclone, we thought we'd show you some of the trucks coming back from the ADF, and we picked up a convoy here of the same type of trucks that were unfortunately involved in that serious accident near Lismore. These trucks went up last week and did their duties up there, and now they're on their way back. So we'll catch up with a couple of them. They're manned trucks. Australia's Army bought, I think, thousands of them in different configurations, and this is some heading back south. See, this one's got a container pack on it, quite high. Tyres to give it mobility to go most places. Some tow trailers, like this one that's just coming up in front of us here now. By the ADF, leave a comment, tell us what you think about the ADF being involved in natural disasters. Is it their role or not? In any case, we think those individuals have helped out during ex-tropical cyclone Alfred. Don't forget, give us a like and